To export a report to Excel, go to the main menu, Reports, select the report, search on that report, and you can do a few fancy things at this point. You can actually open this up and do some column filters if you'd like to, or you can actually click Column Selector and choose which columns to include or exclude in your export. Once you have the selection that you're looking for, then you can go ahead and take your cursor to the upper left-hand corner and hold down your left click on your mouse. As you hold it down, then you can slide across to the lower right-hand side of the report that you're going to want to export into Excel. Release the left mouse button, hover your cursor over the data, and right-click. When you right-click, you can see the copy, and go ahead and click Copy. Then what you do is you go to your Excel spreadsheet, and in this case I can just go ahead and type Excel here, and it'll open up. And you can open up a blank worksheet, and you can go into the upper left-hand corner and right-click and paste. And once you paste that information, it all goes into the column with the column headers that you've selected.